What's going on, everybody? Touch2413 back with another video. And this one, I realized it's been a while since I made an alarm test video. So, in this video, I will do the ones I have not done yet. So, yeah, I will do the statement 259 first. So, yeah. It should go off shortly. And I'm filming with my iPad too, so the camera quality might not be good. So, here we go. Alright, so that one's done. And now, since I have it set up next, we're going to do the version 2 WR100. So, this one should go off in a actually less than a minute, so. Oops. Alright, so that is the version 2, and we will move on to the next radio, which I plan on doing the 2004 12261 next. Alright, so that's the 2004 261, and we will move on to the WR120, excuse me, we will move on to the standard WR120. So that is it for the standard WR120. Obviously, it's not the same as the Easy, which I did a video on too. So the WR11 says it has an alarm, but I'm not entirely sure. I'll check back once I figure it out. But we will do the EAR10 Black. Alright. And that's it for that one. And I'll double check to see which radio I did not do yet. So, yeah, I'll be back. Well, guys, the WR11 does have a alarm. So, let's have a listen on camera. And keep in mind, the alarm scared the heck out of me, which is why I wanted to see. Alright. So that is the WR11. I think I might actually be YouTube first for that one, since I have not seen anyone do an alarm test on it. So yeah. I checked back, and I'm pretty sure I did every single one now. So, there's an experiment I kind of wanted to do on camera. So then, you guys could probably imagine. I was thinking about maybe combining two alarms together and seeing what they sound like together. And I might actually do it on probably the Emerson and maybe one of the Honeywells. So, we'll see what happens. It's only doing the first one. I don't think the second one's gonna go off, so, I mean, that was kind of a fail, but whatever. That was something worth to try. So, yeah. And now we'll see what the Honeywell does. Alright, we'll try it on the RN 507. So, we'll see what happens here. Probably the same thing. yeah, same thing happened, so, yeah, I bet if I do the recom, it's gonna do the same. Only the first alarm going off, but it was worth a shot, right? So, that'll pretty much wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and like the vid. And I'll see you guys in the next one. SG413 is signing out.